What up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, we're going to be going over the Galaxy Fit 1, the original one, and the Galaxy Fit 2, what the differences are, and if you should upgrade or not. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing because I have tech reviews 2 times every week and they're always fitness related. So going with the differences of the two bands, first thing you're going to see is the physical differences. The original Galaxy Fit does have an actual button on the side where the Fit 2 has no buttons whatsoever. When you are using the bands themselves, they are detachable. So on the original Fit band, Fit 1, they are detachable, so they can come right out and that's how you're going to switch them out. Where the difference is with the Galaxy Fit 2 is it actually comes out of the entire band like this. Their charging is also a little bit different as well. With the original Fit band, it has like a little cradle that you pop in that is magnetic, which is nice. I do like the cradle, whereas the Galaxy Fit 2, it's more of a little clamp that gets put on, and you can use the clamp with the band on as well. Other than that, a couple of the key differences is the actual Galaxy Fit 1 versus the Galaxy Fit 2. The Galaxy Fit 1 has a little bit of a smaller screen, about a 0.95 inch, where the Galaxy Fit 2 is going to be a little bit bigger at 1.1 inches. So that's going to help out a little bit as well. The only real other difference between the two is the Galaxy Fit 2 actually has a bigger battery. So it does support up to 14 days. And if you take off continuous heart rate, you can get up to 21 days. And with my testing, they're pretty much true with that. So if you're looking for a band that has a little bit more battery life, I would go with the Galaxy Fit 2. Another thing that you might see is the actual band itself. As you can tell, the latch is a little bit different on the old one, where the new one, the Fit 2, you actually have this little bit of a hinge that helps so much when you're trying to put the band on. So I definitely recommend the hinge on the Galaxy Fit 2. As far as their sensors are concerned, they're pretty much identical. I saw no real differences in heart rate, in steps. They're all working fairly well, even with sleep tracking, so there's no real differences as far as the sensors are concerned. And of course, you're using the same app. You're using the Galaxy Wearable app and you're using the Samsung Health app. Both of them you are going to need for these guys. So one's going to be more for the band and one's going to be more for your fitness tracking to help kind of differentiate the two. So since the Galaxy Fit 1 is a little bit older, it's going to be a little bit tougher to find some more updates and stuff like that, so you won't be getting as much updates. It actually took support away from a couple of the widgets in there, so if you are looking for something that's going to be up to date a little bit more, I would definitely consider the newer one. So what are my recommendations? If you had the Galaxy Fit 1 and you were thinking about getting the Fit 2, don't worry about it. Stick to the Galaxy Fit 1. Wait for something that's going to be a little bit more of a leap in its fitness tracking. I mean, yes, you will get another 7 days of battery life, but it's not really that worth it to buy an extra band, even though it's only $59. And of course, if you are looking between the two and they're both around the same price point, even if the Galaxy Fit 1, if you're getting refurbished, can be a little bit less, I'd still consider just grabbing a brand new Galaxy Fit 2 unless you're getting this guy for like 30 bucks. But if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, the Mi Band 5, which I did do a review on my channel itself, you can check that right up here. And also I do a comparison with Galaxy Fit 2 as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.